Hello. Welcome to this enerart Live Times. In this issue, we will introduce you to the most important product type in the field of energy storage, UPS, that is, uninterruptible energy storage power supply. This is a widely used traditional product. Let's take a look at the main application areas. First, UPS power system is mainly used for the security protection of computer information systems, communication systems, and data centers in information industry, transportation industry, financial industry, aerospace industry, and so on. As an important peripheral equipment of computer information system, communication system, and data center, UPS power supply is very important in protecting computer data, ensuring the stability of power grid voltage and frequency, improving power grid quality, and preventing the damage caused by instantaneous power failure and accidental power failure. Second, industrial power UPS is mainly used in industrial power equipment, industrial power, steel, non-ferrous metals, coal, petrochemical, construction, medicine, automobile, food, military, and other fields. It is used as all power automation industrial system equipment, remote execution system equipment, AC and DC uninterruptible power supply equipment for high-voltage circuit breaker switching, relay protection, automatic equipment, signal equipment to ensure the reliability of industrial automation power supply. Third, household energy storage UPS, especially the popular whole house UPS system, forms a local power supply network and uses lithium battery as the energy storage system. The whole house UPS system is the focus of our introduction. How to choose a good whole house UPS system? Now is the right moment to unfold the topic. UPS in the whole house can not only be used as emergency standby power supply, but also as solar energy storage equipment. We have said that it needs long service life, is not easy to fail, and can be modular. Of course, the price should be beautiful and the brand should be well known. Let's see what good UPS brands there are. Internationally well-known UPS brands such as Emerson, Eaton, Enerart, etc. Other top-ranked UPS manufacturers or brands include APC, MGE, Huawei, Kawa, KStar, East, KStar, SVC, Golden Samurai, Emerson, Eaton, Santak, Merlin, Axel, Sockman, Kawa, Shiching Champion, Delta, Lishuan, etc. There are 100 UPS manufacturers, large and small. Which one are we introducing this time? You're right. Enerart is a battery R&D and manufacturing enterprise in Shenzhen. Enerart has developed its own BMS and has an intelligent, cloud-based and localized flexible power management system. Enerart specializes in portable charging stations, solar cells, house-wide UPS systems, and energy storage equipment. Enerart has been providing OEM services for international brands for a long time. At present, the brand whole house UPS system launched to the European and American markets is deeply loved by customers. Enerart, this UPS introduction is coming to an end. But the work of purchasing your home backup power supply has just begun, which is a complex but simple thing. Instead of being overwhelmed by various choices, choose Enerart, which is safe, worry-free, high quality, and low price. Thank you for watching this video broadcast. Paying attention to Enerart will help you solve the problem of energy application. The program ends. See you next time.